Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Tuesday afternoon. Our blizzard just goes on and on, just raging on here. I just want to read some snowfall amounts, so excuse me if I'm not looking at you all the time, but this is the latest information in terms of snowfall and wind gusts that we've had. I'm just scrolling here on my phone so I just don't have time to put it on a map. I'm just so busy. All right, out on the Cape this afternoon so far, about 8 inches in Falmouth. North Dighton, as of about 2 hours ago, they had a foot of snow. Salem, Mass, as of 1:21, had 13 inches of snow. Let's see what else we have here. Natick, as of 12:33. On Pennacook Lane, 14 inches of snow there. Newton, as of about 12:41, had 12 inches, and still counting. We're getting walloped here. Westward had 12.8. That's of about 2 hours ago. And 12.2 at Bridgewater. That's at 11:15. I'm sure they're up close to 16 inches now. Chelsea, as of 12:37, had 12.3 inches. Milford and Worcester County is the jackpot so far at 19.7. That's as of 1 o'clock this afternoon. We've had wind gusts in the Cape between 70 and 80 miles an hour. 81-mile-an-hour wind gust. That's the peak around Falmouth on Cape Cod. So a wild storm to be sure. All right. Let's check out the weather headline here. Blizzard conditions continue. Marine storm warning posted. I have northeast winds 35 to 65, but add another 20 onto that and gusts. Some coastal flooding, power outages are all around. Now, watches and warnings. We still have a blizzard warning in effect till 8 o'clock tonight from the coast of Maine, Portsmouth, Gloucester, Boston, all the way down to the coastal South Shore, including Cape Cod and the islands with whiteout conditions. Channel radar continues to show bands of moisture coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. There's a couple of gaps here and there, but they're going to be filling in with new moisture coming in. The heavy band of snow, though, southern New Hampshire, Worcester County, eastern Connecticut, that's where they're really just getting hammered hour after hour, snowing 2 to 3 inches an hour in these locales. As we look at the latest visible satellite loop, you can see the conveyor belt of easterlies bringing moisture in from the Atlantic. Here's low pressure here, well southeast of New England, moving slowly off to the northeast. We're going to be in this snow pattern for the next several hours, folks. So this is off the European. I just got this hot off the press as of 8 o'clock tonight. The low center is fairly far east. We have a 971 millibar low, but we're still getting bands of snow coming down. So even 8, 9 o'clock still could be snowing steadily in the greater Boston area with very strong north and northwest winds. Now, we've updated the snowfall map to expand the 1 to 2 feet all the way into Worcester County. I've dropped it a little bit over the Cape and the islands to 7 to 15. This is the area of high uncertainty. If the snow bands are going to pick up, they could get over 15, but I'm going to go for at least 15 on the Cape, maybe more. And once you get out to portions of western New Hampshire, Vermont, and western Massachusetts, 6 to 12 seems like a pretty good bet. So the forecast goes like this. Heavy snow this afternoon, maybe some thunder, but the snowfall intensity may vary from time to time in your town. Is that redundant? May vary from time to time. Very windy. Temperatures are falling into the 20s. And then overnight, we're talking about the snow gradually winding down later on. The 5-day forecast talks about occasional snow showers Wednesday and Thursday, only in the mid-30s. Then there's a secondary Arctic front coming through on Saturday with a lot of clouds, maybe some snow squalls. Temperatures only near freezing during the day. Don't forget the normal high for this time of year is 45, going down to 15 by Saturday morning. Saturday, it's cold, variable clouds and windy, 34, 14 at night. Partly cloudy, cold. On Sunday, temperatures will struggle to get to about 40. I don't even think it makes it. I'm still waiting, excuse me, for some new information from the European to see what's up with the potential for another East Coast storm next week. More on that later this afternoon. Till then, I'm Mark Rosenthal. Oh yeah, before we go, don't forget to check me out on Easy 99.1 FM WPLM. Great radio station, great music, and great folks. I'll see you very soon.